Good afternoon. Welcome to Live 5 News at 3. I'm Raphael James. We now know the name of the man who died after being hit by a car on the Westmoreland Bridge. The Charleston County Coroner's Office says 23-year-old Caleb Tilley was doing construction work on Interstate 526 over Ashley River Sunday evening. Tilley was rushed to MUSC, where he died the next morning. At this time, no charges have been filed in connection to the crash, but officers are still looking into what led up to it. If you know anything, you're asked to call Charleston Police Department Traffic Unit at 843-965-4084.